Hey there, barbers and shop owners. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to keep your Haircut Now listing up to date so customers can always find you. First, head over to the Haircut Now website and find your claimed shop listing. Having your profile updated is key to getting discovered on Google. Once you're on your listing page, simply scroll down and click the Edit button. This will take you behind the scenes to your shop's dashboard. In the listing details section, you can update your shop's name, address, and location. Double check your zip code to ensure your map pin is accurate. If you need to tweak your map location, just click Set Address on Map. This helps mobile barbers and local clients find exactly where you are. Update your email for admin purposes. And remember, we keep it simple here at Haircut Now. No need to list a public phone number unless you want to. Now for the fun part, the visuals. Upload a professional profile photo that represents your brand. A high-quality image builds instant trust with new clients. You can also upload a gallery of your best cuts. Showcase your range and style to give potential customers a taste of what they can expect. Once uploaded, your photos will appear right on your dashboard. You can easily remove or replace them anytime to keep your gallery fresh. Next, add tags to your listing. These keywords help clients find you when they search for specific styles like fades, beard trims, or lineups. Set your price range so clients know what to expect. Transparency is a great way to ensure you're attracting the right audience for your services. Managing your hours is crucial. Click Yes to enable business hours and start setting your schedule for the week. Enter your opening and closing times for each day. If you're closed on specific days, just leave them blank or set them to closed. Take a moment to ensure every day is correct. This avoids any confusion for clients trying to book a chair during your operating hours. Now, let's add your specific services. This is where you list exactly what you offer, from standard cuts to specialized treatments. Enter the service name, duration, and price. You can also add a buffer time after the appointment to give yourself a breather between clients. If you want clients to book immediately without waiting for approval, simply toggle Instant Booking on. It saves time for everyone. Repeat the process for all your offerings. Whether it's a child's cut or a full beard groom, make sure everything is clearly listed and priced. Once you've updated everything, hit Submit Listing. Your changes will be saved and updated on the Haircut Now directory instantly. And there you go. Your profile is now fresh, professional, and ready to bring in more business. It really is that simple. Thanks for being part of the Haircut Now community. Keep those clippers sharp and your profile even sharper. I'll see you in the next one.